dramatic video that's been going around the internet shows automobiles trying to get through flooding in the Las Vegas area after torrential rains hit portions of the Nevada city before the weekend. Several videos released on social media, notably X, formerly known as Twitter, depict cars that are fighting against floodwaters that are rushing quickly and partially submerging them. Another video shows a bus driving through water that covers the wheels of the vehicle. After torrential rains drenched parts of the Nevada city before the weekend, a dramatic video that has been making the rounds on the internet shows cars attempting to navigate through floods in the Las Vegas area. Several videos posted on social media, most notably X, formerly known as Twitter, show cars fighting against swiftly moving floodwaters that are partially burying them. In a different video, a bus is shown moving through water that is covering its wheels. The NWS stated on Saturday that there was significant rainfall along the Arizona border, with some places receiving half an inch of rain in just 15 minutes. According to media sources, Las Vegas itself recorded 0.88 inches of rain on Friday, which is roughly 3 times the region's monthly normal for the entire month of September. In addition, they issued warnings about significant wind gusts and hail up to the size of a quarter. Authorities advised motorists to avoid driving through floodwaters and to remain off the roads whenever possible as flash flooding also hit Las Vegas' famous Strip. According to Las Vegas Fire and Rescue, they responded to 24 swift water rescue incidents, during which up to 12 persons were pulled from still or moving water. Additionally, the agency said that up to 35 automobiles were submerged. Residents in Las Vegas had been warned by city officials earlier on Friday to stay away from driving through flooded areas or getting stuck in flood channels or basins. The southeastern states of the country have been devastated by Category 4 Hurricane Analia, while the southwest has been affected by Tropical Storm Hilary in recent weeks. Local authorities underlined that just 6 inches of flowing water may knock down the typical adult, and that 18 inches of flowing water can sweep away a vehicle as flash flooding advisories were issued for Clark County ahead of the weekend. More rain is expected, according to the National Weather Service, and a flash flood alert is in effect until midnight. Until 3:30 p.m. local time, the warning is in place for southeast Nevada, Mojave County, and eastern San Bernardino counties. A second warning is in effect for west central Clark County until 5 p.m. Residents have been admonished to go back and not try to cross flooded roadways because most flood-related fatalities involve motor vehicles. Additionally, it is advised that they pay attention to their surroundings and stay off flooded roads.